What's up, guys? This is Adri,
Hey.
and
That
is me.
That's
I'm gonna be on the camera because I hurt my knee and I sprained my ankle doing this, so yeah.
So today we are gonna be doing a jumping video. We're gonna do a jumping tutorial on how to jump far and good strategies how to jump high on the swings. So we'll go over to the swings.
So let's go. Come on. Big jump. Ah! Okay, I got a camera. I'm not going on the swing. Okay.
I'll teach you how to get a better start and to jump high, I guess. So
Can I do jumping high?
Sure. So I'll teach you how to jump straight. So the first thing you want to do for a better start is go backwards.
And Adrian, you should just stay there so we don't hit him.
Lift your feet up,
So you're making the letter V.
like making the letter V.
Not too big of a V though.
Or else that happens and it doesn't.
And then if you do it 2 people at a time, your legs could hit.
So you want to do one person at a time. And then you want to get like up to about that height, like slide height, whatever you're comfortable with.
Yep.
And then you want to start swinging.
Like
And-
this height right
And
there.
then,
And then you want to stop doing these. And then just start swinging.
so if you want to jump high, you want to release late like this.
Release.
That's how to jump high.
And
he will
to
teach you-
twirl. And to twirl.
And Adri, you'll teach her how to do a little bit lower, okay?
Okay.
And yeah, she'll teach you how to jump far and
And low.
Can you hold it?
Okay, so
Make sure you can see him.
when you do low, you always want to do this. And then jump. And then and also, you always want to do these. Always. You always want to do these when you want to jump. You don't have to do this when you're just regular swinging. You just want to do it when you when you're jumping and when you're swinging and then jumping. So for low, you want to get to about like this high.
Which is actually pretty high.
And then
you don't have to. This is optional to how high you have to go.
and then this is how you want to jump straight.
You want to release like earlier.
You want to release early, and you always have to do this when you're gonna jump. Okay. So this is what
Show how you jump.
this is what I mean.
And you always want to like kick your legs in, and then when you jump, you go out.
Yeah, it's like a rocket. You go
I'm
out.
not actually gonna be jumping off because of my knee. I tore it really bad. So, but it needs like 2 more hours. The doctor said for it to heal completely. So the ways to jump off, like they said, is sometimes if say you're lefty, you wanna put your left hand out. Your left hand on the chain, so then you can go and then swing off and move it. If you're a righty, you want to do it like this, which I would do. The other way you could jump off is a very weird way. You could do it like, you just jump like that. So you have to slide both your arms out, and that's really hard. The way that sometimes when you want to go a little bit faster, kind of pretend you're doing a back bend. You'll just do this. I'll do a baby jump. And you go like that.
So, does Joe want to add anything?
Another thing I might want to add is like, try not to, I'll show you. You don't want to get too high, or else you could actually break your ankle from the land. Sprain your ankle. Sorry. So like, I'll show you like, I'm very flexible by the way. So like, I'll show you where you don't want to go. you don't want to get to like that high, or else you could oh my god, sprain your ankle.
Because the higher you are. So I just want to say something to you. Sorry. So the higher you are, the more likely of chance you're gonna hurt yourself.
Yeah, and that's how she did it. That's how she like sprained her knee or something from going way too high, and then
I wasn't actually doing it. Facing me. Sorry.
It's okay. So that's also, I didn't actually do it from a swing. I was running really hard, and I did on a springboard, and I did a front tuck, and I went like this, and it twisted, and that's how I did it.
and that's how most people land. And like, just be careful, cause like you don't want to hurt yourself.
Okay.
And what if you go high? You want to let go at the last second and almost spin yourself backwards. So that's how you keep yourself safe. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching. I hope you smash that subscribe button. Hope you liked it. Bye.